Alright guys, welcome back to the Hobby Zone Aeroscout Mini revamp to turn it into a boat project. And so here we are. As you can see here, I was able to put this all the way through, and if this still works, hopefully it will, once I glue it or connect it up properly, it should have everything working the way it should, and then we should be able to get this done. Now on one side, as you can see here, it is going to be connected up to the battery. And I will turn on the remote. And whoa, that's never happened before, but we'll see why that's doing something strange. Is it because I did not... That's the first time it's done that. Did it detect water? Did it do something strange? I have no idea. It did not do this before, so maybe it does not like the idea of having a twisted arm. Twisted arm in there? I don't know. Let's see, if I push this down, will it still do that? Will it still do that? It will. That is very odd behavior. So let me just do this the opposite. That's never done that before. Are the batteries dying or something? Let's take a battery out. Put the battery back in. Ah, there. So what happens when I connect this up here? That's weird. That's actually moving up and down a little bit, but that's only supposed to be for this bit. I don't know. I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer. Alright. You never know what you're getting these days. Okay, so this actually worked out. It fits all the way through there. And so if I go left and right, so long as this is not able to move around, we should have some movement in there. So this will have to be stuck together. But if done properly, then we should get some movement in the tail. Alright, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Very soon I'll have this all figured out.